9690, you would have seen my last video doing a bit of work on it. Since then, put on 500 Ks, so 22,000 on the clock, and the top roller cam bearing collapsed, so the common issue happened to mine at 22,000. So I've just had the top end redone at my mechanics. It's now, haven't started it yet, just put everything back together, put some cheap oil in it because there's a lot of metal filings going through the engine, so this will just be an idle run and dump it straight away. New coolant, new oil. The old piston is in pretty good nick. I've already given it a quick clean up. That's just a bit of wire brush on the top, so otherwise it was consistent, no damage to it. Let's get this focused. Yeah, not too bad. Bit of carbon build up, but 22,000 Ks and perfectly fine. One of the rings though was cracked, so really I did it at a good time, and I've got new valves and springs and seals and everything in the top. Bottom crank was good at 22,000, nothing wrong with that. Hopefully not after the metal went through the engine. Found some more bearings in the stator. I don't know if we'll catch them in here. There's a couple. So the engine's been out of the bike for a while now. Yeah, so they were in the bottom, stuck on the magnet. It should be, got more than 15 pins out, so it'd be about the right size. So let's start her up, see what happens. First time firing, let's see what happens. Just crank the fuel pump a few times. Hopefully got everything plugged in, nipped up. Coolant's tight, the engine's tight, the leads are in their right spot. Just give it a momentary turn. Done. Check the coolant and all the other stuff and make sure it's right.